You know what? I think this is the most lively neighborhood in the world. No one. What? What? What is it?
That's probably got busy.
Oh my gosh!
It looks like a grounded tree.
I don't think you can see it on the camera.
Probably not. I think I got really close.
Lord! I'm scared to get close.
Grab a little sport spider.
There you go. You can see the little dot thingy in it.
Yeah. Little back spider. The white car came back.
Maybe. They wanted more.
Car's coming. Hey, they just break it.
Don't break it! Where's my daddy? Where's he not going? Why's he still going? Where's he still going? Stop, guys! Oh. Woo! Man, we